We're getting some more updates coming in from Karnataka. Let's go ahead to those updates coming in where we're learning that the face-off over Karnataka bus fare hike continuing to intensify. The Congress party has defended the move. Listen in. Remember, Karnataka has approved 15% hike in bus fares from January 5th. The BJP has slammed this move. But the Congress party has gone ahead and defended the move. Let's listen in to H.K. Patil.
To approval for increase of 15% of rates, ticket prices to be enhanced, raised. And 15% is raised because of the deficit that the corporation was facing, all the corporations were facing. And with this increase, there will be some sort of a return of 74.84 crores every month. This increase will give 74.85 crores every month. This will try to reduce the losses that those nigams, corporations were suffering.
देखिए, वैसे तो वहाँ सरकार कहती है हम फ्रीबीज करते हैं, परंतु एक जेब में डालकर दूसरी बड़ी जेब काट लेती है और 15% बहुत ज्यादा वृद्धि है। और अब वहाँ की कर्नाटका की जनता समझ रही होगी कि किस प्रकार से छला गया उनको और किस प्रकार से वोट लेने के लिए उनको छला गया और कहा गया कि हम बसों में किराए फ्री करेंगे, महिलाओं के लिए फ्री करेंगे। हालांकि सच ये है कि वहां पर महिलाओं के लिए भी बसों का किराया फ्री नहीं है। सब बसें सब महिलाओं को अपने यहाँ फ्री यात्रा नहीं करने देती, परंतु उसके ऊपर से 15% वृद्धि कर देना अपने आप में ये वहां की जनता के लिए एक बड़ा उपहास है। उनके साथ बड़ा उपहास किया जा रहा है और दिखता है कि वहां की सरकार किस प्रकार से वहां की जनता के टैक्स के पैसे पे अपनी राजनीति कर रही है।
All right, let's go back to my colleague joining us. Abhishek, I'm coming back to you right now. The Karnataka government has announced 15% hike in bus fares across all 4 state transport corporations. KSRTC, KKRTC, NWRTC, BMTC. But the Congress, the Karnataka government feels that it's a right move. The BJP has slammed the Congress. Go ahead and take our viewers through the latest coming in.
So even before I talk politics on the bus fare hike, the public in the state of Karnataka are against the decision taken by government because each and every person who travels by bus, those are men, because the Shakti scheme obviously allows the women to travel free of cost in the entire state, whereas the men have to bear another 15% extra is what the new rule says. So as per the government, it generates a daily average increase in income of 7.84 crores. This has to be done is what the Congress government says because the prices of fuel have increased, and whereas we will have to take the burden from the people and shift it to the boards is what H.K. Patil minister said. But at this point of time, the price hike was not necessary is what BJP feels, but the Congress transport minister says, Ramlinga Reddy, the bus fares haven't been hiked for the past 10 years and this at the need of the hour. This point we had to do it, without which the boards would have faced a serious loss and we would not be able to manage with the income we are generating at this point of time. On another hand, BJP says the Congress has increased the fares by 15% to fund the Shakti scheme and the government is not benefiting the people of Karnataka in any way. All the prices have been continuously increasing since the day Congress took its charge as the government. So this is not a people-friendly government. Rather, it is a friendly government only to the ministers and their close aides is what BJP says. But speaking on a contrary note, the January 5th is the date when the prices would go high. At least 50 to 60% of people who travel in bus every day would have a major hit on their pockets, and there is an expectation that at least 20% people would drop from their daily travel from the BMTC buses in the city, and they might have a shift to the metro transportation. So politically speaking, BJP have started protesting against the Congress government's decision of the fare hike in the bus. Whereas Congress is batting against their own government, they're batting for their government, stating this decision was necessary, and they've also given a hint stating that the BWSSB might also revise their water charges in the upcoming days. So the people of Karnataka are ready to face another price hike, not only related to bus, but with related to other daily needs as well.
Right, thank you for joining us with all those details, Abhishek. We see that the BJP has accused the Karnataka government of burdening the public with the fare hike.